All right, ladies and gentlemen, Fab's in the house, and welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm in the house with two bad boys right over here. I got the Hi-Fi boy and the Trap boy here with me for a quick review comparison and checking out what is going on in these two boxes. And your job is just to check out what is going on Fablades.com and see if these are still available. If you like them, you can get them there. And if they're not, just who knows, too late, because yeah, these are limited edition, and once they're gone, so you cannot find these anymore. So I'm just gonna go ahead and check this bad boy from the look, from the sound, and from the feel perspective. Let's open them up and see what is going on in these two boxes. You get, of course, also check what is going on down under the foam, because you often get some goodies, like spare parts and everything that you need to take care, maintain, and enjoy fully these bad boys, right? So we're gonna go ahead and open this fella here. I like to keep the bag kind of like intact, so just a little chunk. This guy is out, and right over here, by the way, if you're wondering what knife is this is the F95 Antique by Shirogorov Custom Division. Check it out, it's a pretty cool knife. It's not cheap, but you're gonna love it, I'm pretty sure. Anyways, guys, look at this. We are here with these two fellas right over here. Trap boy, Hi-Fi boy. Hi-Fi boy because, of course, of the similarity, like for headphones, and this is the Trap boy because of the trap. I don't know, but you get to see these two boys. Let's start with this fella. Very, very cool design. Indeed, they both are sporting a lanyard. As you can see, this is a blasted zirconium finish, and this is a polished zirconium finish with some zirconium blasted in the core and to the sides. This is fantastic. Lanyard, keychain. I mean, it would be like a pretty heavy keychain one, but still, you can do that. Let's check the sizes for these two fellas. 59, and you get 63 millimeters in length. Just a couple of sliders here. You get the battle shield from Chenyu. You get the Contra from ACEDC. Milkia, also ACDC. Tom EDC Mahjong, just to show you a couple of popular sliders. So this is the Trap boy, and you get to see the limited edition numbering right there. It is a slider. It has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 states. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's kind of like a rocker, so it just rocks up and down as a solid click. It just stays there. There's not much wobbling over there. You get these screws, which you can just remove fully, and oh, look at this. There is the mechanism right there, which is a ceramic ball bearing going on with a spring, which creates some tension. This guy goes in, and the ball will just apply the pressure on the inside to this mechanism, so it just slides up and down, making this noise. So very simple, feels good in the hand. It's like really the right size, and this I can really see it like dangling off of a keychain. Whereas the Hi-Fi boy is more complex. You have a central core where you have these two parts just sliding in two states, 1 and 2, 1 and 2. When it's fully compacted down, it's like pretty compact, yeah. And when it's fully open, that's the size. So it's gonna be longer when fully open, and shorter than the Trap boy when fully closed. Beautifully polished. I like these details going on over here. Very, very nice. Of course, you get a lanyard on this side, a lanyard on that side, and this guy is just very well made, I have to say. Like between the two, probably this is more complex than this one. This I can see the feel, the appeal for this guy. Very, very simple. I really like this one, but this is more complex and has these two states, so it's a little bit different. And of course, the numbering is going to be engraved right over there. Hi-Fi, sorry, engraved on top of that. And you get a really pleasant experience because of this. It's just so nice. I'm surprised. I thought that, initially I wouldn't have loved this one, but I have to say I am actually impressed. Very well finished, very well designed, nicely thought and engineered. This thing is solid. There's a little bit of rattling, a little bit less on this one, but still pretty cool design for sure, guys. Yeah, I'm sold on this one. This I like, but compared to this is much more simple, but still it's pretty cool, eh? So there you have it. Really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching, and guess what? Stay tuned.